Hello and welcome everyone to another episode on my firearms channel. This is Kenne Bears Arms, and today is my M1A versus Tannerite versus a very old microwave. Look in the comments below if you want to skip ahead to see the explosion. Otherwise, stay tuned to the video and enjoy.
Clay pigeon. She gone. Sure. Is it recording, Kenny? Well, all right, let her buck, dude.
You could probably, if you wanted to rest or whatever.
Yeah, we're good to go.
Yeah, if you wanted to lean on that tree, you'd be all right.
Okay.
It's up to you. I mean, but...
You ready?
Yep, we're good.
Green light. Hi.
Seven more. Come
right there. You haven't hit the clay yet. I know that.
Poor guy's not used to those sights.
I'm right on it.
Well, I guess I should have called this 308 versus Tannerite, because as you can see, my M1A didn't get the job done, and we're switching to something that will.
Send another one, dude.
I hit the clay.
Yeah. You should have hit. You might have just skimmed the top of it. Shoot a little low.
Lower?
Yeah, lower. There you go. That couldn't have been it.
I think you hit it.
Definitely.
Is that the Tannerite? It must have been.
That
Was that one of those
microwave
clay
was
Tannerite
built
things?
like a tank.
Yeah, apparently.
can't
Holy
blow it up.
shit. It barely even moved.
Well, that explosion was rather uneventful. That microwave is damn strong. It is a late 80s microwave, I believe, something like that, 70s, not sure. It is old. It is built like a brick S-house. Anyway, hopefully that was mildly entertaining. If you're new here, consider subscribing. Hit that like button if you enjoyed it. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Yeah.